GetHTMLAttribute function returns the value of the specified attribute name for the HTML descriptor as specified as first parameter of a function. So let's see on a web page how it works. If I spy a web object, so let's take this one, I have the list of possible HTML attributes for the descriptor, so class, ID, content editable, it's HTML5, so they are all with this attribute, and content gives the product name. So if I want to retrieve the value of the attribute content, I can click paste, get HTML attribute for the attribute content, and the value is returned in a string. I have to specify a use page first to tell on which page I have to retrieve the content. The page title starts by capture, so I will use just capture. I save. And I click play. That's the first one. If I want to retrieve another one, I click spy. I have here, let's take now product 3. As all product names, product 1, product 2, product 3, uses the same class, the third one is specified using an index. So I will click paste. I duplicate this one, and I change using this descriptor. If now I replay, so with the index 3, that's the third product name. If I want to retrieve an attribute content for another object, let's take this one. I see for this one I cannot take outer text as this changes, so I will take class. Again, as it's the second one, an index has been added, and this time I can retrieve the value for either outer text or content HTML attribute. I can use the index for looping, so here I will do I equals 0, repeat. So I split in, I will start at e equal 1. So I split here first part of the string, so I put this double quote, concatenation of strings, that's plus, convert I in a string, that's str$, concatenate, double quote, the other part. I equal I plus 1 until I equal 10. I will just do a mesh box to, and let's execute product 1, product 2, product 3, and so on. That's the end of this tutorial.